So hello and welcome back to Fabian Electrical Services Inc. And I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's live. Again, as you guys come in, don't forget to tap up the like button. Helps with the algorithm. So again, I'm going to be running my videos tonight. Again, as you guys come in, don't forget to like up the
I'm still working on my installation of my new panel. So what I'm going to be doing is clearing this whole area for my new panel. I have to clear everything to make sure I have enough room. The panel will be a lot bigger. So before I install my new panel, I want to make sure that everything is cleared. No obstacles is in my way. And this is the new panel. But I'm going to be taking this panel and flipping it the other way because the main comes in this way. So for that reason, I have to flip my panel the other direction instead of being the normal way. So now this is allowed because there's a code rule that states that your breaker has to be a certain height. So this is within my certain height, so I can take this panel and flip it the other way, and that's exactly what I'm going to do to make this work. Okay, just going to knock out the couple of these. That way, once I install my panel, I don't need to play around with here because it's going to give me problems. So the key to installing a panel fast and efficiently is to prep everything. Make sure that you don't forget the simple stuff that you need to do before you install this panel. This will be one of them. So that's basically what I'm doing in this video. Also, please like, share, and subscribe to my videos and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you. I need two wires into one grommet. So the trade name is grommet. It's basically a connector. Okay, so I'm basically having problems with this, so I'm just going to cut this off and get rid of it. So it's now 11:18 and I'm still waiting on the inspector. He should be here around between 11 and 1. See, it's very messy in here. There's not a lot of room for it. So again, these are my two lighting circuits here I have. I'm just going to get rid of these ground wires because So as you can see, I'm not twisting them. I'm just putting them together so they go into the same ground screw, under the same ground screw. The reason why I do not twist my wires is because if I have to, if there's a problem and I have to troubleshoot, then I have to remove all the grounds from the bar, and it just does not make sense. So I don't twist my grounds. Again, also this is just a video. Please don't try this at home. If you have to, contact a licensed electrical contractor. You can see I have a lot of wires still to go. This side is basically finished. And I always use my connector. And now this is washroom gear 5, so I'm just going to mark it. Don't need a whole lot, and remember I always cut my wires one by one, never 2 or 3. It's a dead short.
the live.
Yeah, hello and good morning to all my subscribers. Please like, share, and subscribe to the video. I'm basically going to be prepping for my service 400 amp panel.
Big up yourself, Up Movement TV. I didn't even see you in the comment section. I was trying to fix the phone here again. Thank you for checking into the live stream, and thank you for the continuous support. Also, you good? All right. Yeah, just trying here to try to stream on the different platforms here. Kind of figured it out, so I'm testing it out tonight here. See how it goes. No late night live tonight. Oh, maybe. Okay. Yeah, this wasn't planned, you know. I wasn't gonna go live tonight, but I figured out a way to live stream on the platform, so I decided to try it out and see what happens. Yeah, I've been it's in your StreamYard setting movement. I've been seeing it for a while now, and I finally saw it there. So
please, hello and welcome again. Please like, share, and subscribe. This is basically my 400 amp panel, which I removed all the components from the side so I can mount the panel. You can see this is the panel covers that I had to remove in order to mount the panel on the plywood.
Hmm? Mm-mm.
Hello,
Yes,
welcome
sir.
back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video what you simply have is me installing my breakers into the panel, balancing up the panel correctly, and also installing my power wires. So again, for all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Also, you can leave a like and share the video. You can also comment in the comment section, and also please just sit back and enjoy the video, and I will catch you guys on the next video. So this one actually has the tail. It's a 15 amp arc fall breaker, dual function. This is a 20 amp, I don't need this one yet. the hood fan, you'll get an arc fault.
So again, hello, welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's live stream. Again, these are videos that I normally run. So again, as you guys come in, don't forget to like up the live stream. Helps with the algorithm, and also you can share the video. Subscribe to the channel. Become a member of the channel also.
basically what I'm putting is a running board. Anytime you have the attic, you have to put a running board to protect your wires from being damaged. So that's basically what I'm doing right now. As you can see, it's a high ceiling, so I have to install a running board across wherever my wire is running, so I can obviously protect the wires from being damaged if someone has to walk in the attic or anything like that. So basically, this is how Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video Simply preparing the electrical room with the 400 amp main panel, and I'm simply going to be using the code rules that's laid out in the code books. So again, for all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe. You can also make sure your notification is turned to all. That way you receive my notifications. You can also like and share the video. And again, just sit back and relax and enjoy the video. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.
So hello again and welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's live stream. So this is a live stream. You're free to drop your comment in the comment section. You can also suggest another video or a live stream topic. Just drop it in the comment section. Also, as you guys come in, don't forget to like up the live stream. Helps with the algorithm.
So hello again and welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys for checking into Fabian Electrical Services Inc. Again, in today's installation, we're going to jump right into it. What I'm going to be doing in the installation is I'm going to be installing my electrical boxes for my electrical conduits. These conduits are going to be for my generator feed, generator backup that's going to be installed inside of the home. And what a generator backup does is it simply, once your power has been lost, it's going to kick right in and it's going to shoot your power back on. Again, you're going to also need, along with the generator, you're going to also require the main generator itself that's going to be located on the outdoor of the home, all staying within the code compliance with the installation. So this is simply a box. The reason for the electrical box is I cannot use my Coraline. It's called my electrical conduit that I have. It's basically Coraline, and I cannot use that on the outdoor. So I have to transition everything over. And the tools that I'm going to be using to do this job is a pair of 10 snips. I'm going to be using my file to file down the holes once the hole is cut. Normally we will use a hole saw to make the hole, but for some reason I didn't have the hole saw, so I had to use my 10 snips in order to get the hole cut. This box again is going to be for the installation of the electrical generator that's going to be located on the outdoor beside of the main electrical meter base for the home. So with this installation, it comes also with the cables that you have to pull. You also have to have your low voltage wiring for the electrical installation when it comes to the generators. Always staying in compliance with your electrical code rules. It's very important to make sure that you understand where to find these rules and apply them to the job when it's necessary. Again, for the installation, I'm not sure the type of cable that I'm going to be installing as yet. As the main service, it is a 400 amp incoming feed, and again, all the whole home is probably not going to be it's probably not going to need to have the backup generator running. Just for the certain circuits that you need, it's all up to the individual if they want to have the whole entire home on the backup generator. Again, this service is inside of the basement of the home, inside of the room where it's going to be is going to have it's going to have some sort of covering at the end of the installation, so when you walk into the basement, you're not going to see the installation straight. It's going to be hidden. Obviously, it has to be accessible by the code, staying in code compliance. Has to be accessible. All junction boxes, all electrical boxes, octagon boxes, wherever you make a joint, make a connection of your electrical wires, has to be accessible once the work is finished. It also has to have a cover plate placed on the face of the box. You also have to use your morettes when it comes to making your joints secure and firm. You also require the proper connectors to be used, proper couplings, whatever it may be, for the application, for the electrical installation. You have to make sure that you have all proper material on the job site when the installation is being performed. It's best to always double check your electrical code book to make sure that you stay within your code code compliance rules. You can obviously go above and beyond once it doesn't interfere with your budget on the job site. Very important to always keep that in mind. Also, it's very important to make sure that you calculate what size wire you're going to be using for the installation, what electrical boxes are going to be used, what electrical conduit are going to be used, whether it be liquid type, PVC conduit, the whole even NMDW. It's always best to make sure that you figure out what type of wire, size of wire, breaker size you're going to be installing before you obviously start the electrical installation. And again, this is the 2-inch conduit, electrical PVC, Corline. It's called. The trade name we normally use is Corline. So this is a 2-inch pipe, and the other pipe that's above is a 3/4. So that pipe is going to be for the high voltage line that's going to be going to the actual generator transfer switch. So now that you have seen the electrical conduit, this is the electrical conduit that I mentioned that cannot be used on the outdoor. So for this reason, I'm going to be installing the electrical box. It is a 8x8 box, I believe, 8x8 electrical box that I'm using. And again, this box is going to be simply placed for a matter of connections. Instead of using the conduit that's not required to be used on the outdoor by code rules, staying within the code compliance. We also have to remember that the code book overrules the installation, and it's best to have the proper installation before it's inspected. Once the inspector arrives on the job, you don't want to have a defect on the job. So it's always best to make sure that your electrical installation stay within the code compliance rules. And once you find yourself staying within your code compliance rules, you're not going to have any issues with the inspector at all. A lot of my work, a lot of my electrical installations, a lot of them I either know my rules by heart or I somehow have to search them. And it's best to take the time out to do your research before you even book for an inspection. Once the inspector arrives on the job, if for some reason there is a defect, the electrical installation has to be up to par with the code compliance rules. So you're going to have to somehow fix the electrical installation before you can have it passed. So like I said, it's always best to make sure while you're doing your installation, double check your code book, make sure everything is good to go. So again, I would like to thank you guys all for tuning in to Fabian Electrical Services, and all my fans who've followed me throughout this time. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in, and please, for all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you become a member. Stay up to date for more content that I'm about to drop, and I will catch you guys on the next video. So hello again, and welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's live stream. Again, as you guys come in, don't forget to like up the live, please and thank you. What we have here is the chandelier list that I'm going to be removing in the attic. That's why you see I have the mask on. Again, reason switching out the lift is basically because The other lift is not as strong as it should be. Not really for the correct weight for the leg setup. So for that reason, this lift has to be reinstalled. Changing out by simply swapping out an old lift, which is rated for less weight. Certainly not what it's supposed to be. So we're doing is removing my power source wire. And I'm also going to be removing the fan, the lift itself over here. And I'm going to be reinstalling in the lift. So again, thank you guys for tuning in to the live stream. Obviously, so again, I'm in the attic, doing some attic work, and that's why you guys see me have the mask on. So as you can see, I have this lift tuned up, and obviously going to have to reinforce the new lift just a little bit stronger. So again, I don't have my bit for the drill. So I'm doing it manually here, as the attic is pretty far. So So hello, welcome back to my channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's lesson. I'm simply going to be installing my receptacles. So again, welcome back to the channel. I'm simply doing this my receptacles right now. basically what I'm doing is I have a nick wire, so I'm going to be repairing this nick wire with the extension to protect the wires from hitting the box.
So hello again and welcome back to the channel. You're tuned into Fabian Electrical Services. And again, I'm running some videos tonight. Again, as you guys come in, if you're getting content from the video, don't forget to smash that like button. Hello and welcome back to the channel, and I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's video. Also, as you come in, please don't forget to like up the video, very important, and you can also share. Hello and welcome back to the channel, and I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's video. Also, as you come in, please don't forget to like up the video, very important, and you can also share the video. You can also become a member of the channel, and you can also subscribe to the channel. So in today's video, what we have is simply a roughing that was done throughout the home. So this is basically a walkthrough of the finishing, before finishing, before the drywall goes up. As you can see, you'll see all my wires are neatly strapped. When it comes to my wires joined through the 2x8, it's dead in the center. There's a code rule on that also. You'll also see I have some speaker wires, pot lights, the whole 9 yards, security wiring for the home. We have some TV outlets, data outlets, 2 game bots. We have the washroom. In here is going to be an office, and as you can see, the receptacles are going to be coming out through the baseboard. And we have here we have 1 floor receptacle. And as we go into the washroom we have fans, 4 pot lights, we have LED mirror, GFI receptacle, toilet receptacle. We have our switches also by the door. So as I said, this is filled with lots of stuff, the entire home. As we go into this room here, you'll see same thing, my receptacles. There's no box on them because they're going to be coming out of the baseboard. That's where the receptacle is going to be placed. In here, you're going to have LED strip lights at the top. So you can see my switches neatly supported on both sides according to the code. And here also is filled with security wiring also. There's going to be a heater here, built-in heater. As we go around the ceiling, you can see my wires 2x4 placed on the top to stop the nails from going through or puncturing the wires once they start to install their Hello and welcome back to the channel, and I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's video. Also, as you come in, please don't forget to like up the video, very important, and you can also share the video. You can also become a member of the channel, and you can also subscribe to the channel. So in today's video, what we have is simply a roughing that was done throughout the home. So this is basically a walkthrough of the finishing, before finishing, before the drywall goes up. As you can see, you'll see all my wires are neatly strapped. When it comes to my wires joined through the 2x8, it's dead in the center. There's a code rule on that also. You'll also see I have some speaker wires, pot lights, the whole 9 yards, security wiring for the home. We have some TV outlets, data outlets, 2 game bots. We have the washroom. In here is going to be an office, and as you can see, the receptacles are going to be coming out through the baseboard. And we have here we have 1 floor receptacle. And as we go into the washroom we have fans,
4 pot lights. We have LED mirror, GFI receptacle, toilet receptacle. We have our switches also by the door. So as I said, this is filled with lots of stuff. The entire home. As we go into this room here, you'll see same thing. My receptacles. There's no box on them because they're going to be coming out of the baseboard. That's where the receptacle is going to be placed. In here, you're going to have LED strip lights at the top, so you can see my switches neatly supported on both sides according to the code. And here also is filled with security wiring also. There's going to be a heater here, built-in heater. As we go around the ceiling, you can see my wires 2x4 placed on the top to stop the nails from going through or puncturing the wires once they start to install their drywall. This room here is a washroom, another washroom. So again, washroom, I have my pot lights, I have my fan, I have 2 pendant lights coming down, I have my GFI, I have my LED mirror receptacle. In here, there's no toilet receptacle because it doesn't call for one. This is some type of apparently new system. It's the first time I've seen it. You have your 2-gang box. This is a 3-gang box. Excuse me. As you can see, I have my wires stapled. Here's another receptacle. There's about 6 spotlights in here. One LED strip light circuit is going to be provided inside of the room, along with 2 switches. As you can see, my 2-gang box is always supported to code. So again, as we wind down to the end of the video, please don't forget to like up the video. You can also share the video, subscribe to the channel, become a member, and again, I'll catch you guys on the next video.
So hello again and welcome back to Fabian Electrical Services. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's video. So let's dive right into it. What I'm doing today is going to be an installation. It's going to be the installation of the 400 amp disconnect. The disconnect is mounted already, and what I use for the installation is simply bolts. I made sure I secured the 2x4 on the back end to give it the extra secure to the wall, firm and nice. I don't want the electrical installation to come off the wall in any type or sort. Again, the cable, the electrical conduit that I'm using is going to be the AC conductor. We call it tech cable, and there are parallel runs that's being run from the outdoor meter base. Again, what I like to do with installation like this is I like to make sure that I keep that white sheeting that's there on before I like to keep it on once I land my conductors inside of the panel. I'm going to remove that white sheeting. I also make sure to put my ground bushing on first. This installation is going to come with the ground bushing connection. Reason being is the ground wire has to be grounded off to the actual ground clamp. Ground connection has to be grounded off. I have to make sure that, as you can see in the on the left hand side, you're going to see the other installation. You're going to see my wire is grounded off onto the ground bushing. It is in code compliance. It is a code rule that states that. It is inside of the electrical code book where you would find it. You just have to search. And again, if for all those who are pretty interested in the video, all the apprentices out there, all the journeymans, all the master electricians, DIY guys, homeowners, if you ever need to find out a code rule and you simply cannot find it, you can simply leave a comment in the comment section, and I would guide you through the process. So again, the installation reason that the disconnect is here and not the 400 amp panel is because of the code rule that states anything that's within 5 feet of the electrical panel of the meter base shall have a installation of the panel right away. But when it comes to any installation, electrical installation that's more than 5 feet away from the actual electrical disconnect that's located outside of the home, it has to have a means of disconnect. So the main electrical 400 amp panel is located inside of the electrical room, inside of the basement of the home, and it's more than 40 feet away from the meter base. So the reason is I have to install my disconnect per code to stay within my electrical code compliance. So as you can see, the reason why I stated that I like to keep the white paper on is it simply helps with the cable. As you can see, the cable is locked in place. Once you disassemble that, it gives you a lot more problems to get the cable inside of the connector. So again, that's why I always make sure I land my cables inside of the disconnect, inside of the connectors, and I make sure that I remove that. Then what I go ahead and do is I simply ground off my I do my groundings. So this is a grounding and bonding installation. There are two different things when it comes to bonding and grounding. Serve two different applications. So never get that confused. Also, you're going to see I have my phasing tape on my cable. Reason is this cable does not come with identify neutral, and in the code book it simply states that your incoming neutral has to be identified. There is a rule where you electrical code rule code compliance that states that a particular size of cable we must identify up to. So this is what I am doing here, identifying my conductors with the white tape that is being used. It's always best to have also your line and loads coming in to be separated. Never have them touching each other. It is a code compliance rule that states that your feed that's coming in, your main feed, is not supposed to come in contact with your actual load side that's going out. So for this reason, you're going to see the installation. I'm also going to be using my flat screwdrivers, Robbie screwdriver. Most of the time in this installation, I use my bigger screwdrivers to get the full torquing. Again, also what I like to use is my Milwaukee drills. Very very handy, never fails me, gets the job done on a daily basis. Also, set of Allen keys is what is required. A lot of times I use my regular Allen key sets for a disc for installation like this. When it comes to the outdoor meter base, I often use another Allen key. Is more of a bigger Allen key that I have. Hopefully I can get to show you guys that on one of my videos. It comes in handy, gets the job done, helps with the risk a lot when it comes to the installation. So again, also this is a part of my videos. There are other videos that I have out there that are has the full installation when it comes to landing my wires. It does have the full installation. You just have to check through my videos to find the other part of this installation. There are many other parts to it, about 3 or 4 other videos that's there. And again, I would like to thank you guys all for tuning into Fabian Electrical. And again, don't forget to like up the video. You can also subscribe to the channel, or you can also become a member. And I will catch you guys on the next installation from Fabian Electrical. So hello again and welcome back to Fabian Electrical Services. I'd like to
Hello and welcome back all my viewers and subscribers. In today's video, what I'll be showing you is basically I've removed the bonding strap from the panel, as it's bounded at the main disconnect, so no need for leaving this inside the panel. I've also grounded off my ground wires, tech cable, onto a bigger ground lug. As you can see here, these are pretty bigger, and the ground bar you see there is usually smaller and gives me issues, and it probably wouldn't pass inspection, so I went a step further in installing proper ground lugs that are bigger and required.
For that reason, all smoke detectors are connected to the lighting circuit. Also, a lot of times when I do go live, um, a lot of times I don't plan my lives. So for all those who are subscribed to the channel, just make sure the notification is turned to all. Reason being is there are other workers inside of here that are working, and a lot of times they have the music on, and I don't want to get the copyright, so I kind of stay away uh, from them. So I kind of from them they are going when they are going to be working downstairs. Just again, reason being is because I don't want to get the copyright with the music. So again, that was just a quick live of how I normally do my lighting as I'm winding down. Um, yes, Isaac Gazer, thanks again for checking in to the channel. Um, so, as you know, it was just a quick live. And Uncle's going live right now, so I'm going to head over there. But it was just a quick live, and I'd like to thank you guys for all checking into the live. Isaac Gaza. I'd like to thank Ezria Scott. Also, yes, Happy New Year to you also, Isaac Gaza. Happy New Year to you also. I'd like to thank Gaza Uncle also for checking in. And again, Sasha Ice, Kim, State of Dancehall, Up Movement TV, you know, Revive TV, Jamaica Revive TV Entertainment, Gaza Libra, DJ Bullet, um, Asa Mario, Cash Cow, known as Mr. British, and there's a lot more who always tune into the live stream. So yes, Isria, thank you for checking into the live for the first time, and and normally, like I said, I don't plan the lives. I just come out and I do the live stream. So again, thank you guys all, and I will see you guys on the next video. Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, basically what we have here is this was the bonding strap that I had to remove from the panel because it's already bonded at the disconnect. So I'm removing this. Also, I've used bigger lugs my grounding because usually I have problems grounding them off to the actual ground bar, which is these ones here. So I actually went a little bit bigger. Also, please like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. Stay tuned for my next video. Thank you.
Hey folks, let's dive into today's video, which is simply going to be the fundamental of troubleshooting an electrical circuit. I will be showing you the steps I take to get this done. Thanks for reaching out to me, Trill. So basically, I will be taking my hot, which is black, and my white, which is neutral, and placing them together. Please do not try this with your power on, as it can become dangerous. Also folks, go ahead and hit that notification button and stay tuned for my other videos on troubleshooting.
You can also head to the comment section and stay up to date in my community posts and leave a comment in the comment section telling me if this video was helpful to you or not. Thank you. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Fabian Electrical Services Inc. In today's video, I'm basically going to be tying in my neutral onto the neutral bars. As you can see, these neutrals that I have twisted, they're going to be basically circuits where I do not need an arc fault, and whatever I don't have twisted is going to go onto a special breaker. The reason for the neutral is basically going to power up. You have your power wire, which is this, and you have your neutral wire, which is this. So without this wire, your circuits will not work. So it's very important to have these wires tied into your breakers. Sorry, it's very important to have these wires tied into your neutral bar. That way that your circuit will work properly. Without this and just this, the circuit will never power up. this wire. I'm going to the back of the panel. That's good. Does the job. That's the key though. That's how you install a 400 amp panel.
So hello, welcome back to my channel. And so today's video, I'm going to be installing these spots here, and it's basically for the generator feed. So because I cannot use this pipe on the outside, I'm simply going to put a junction box, transition this over um, into something else that I can use on the outside. This is pretty much not allowed on the outside. It's allowed when you're using when you're pouring concrete, some sort. So uh, after double checking my code book, so I already knew that. So I'm not going to be using it on the outside. So I'm just going to be prepping my box. And because I don't have my hole saw, what I did was I simply, made a mark here, and I'm going to try to cut around it to see if I can open up the hole a little bit more. So this is basically an old school way of using it. I'm just going to cut around. I already pre-made my mark, and I'm simply going to cut around to make sure that I can have enough opening so I can install this connector here. So again, hello and welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's live stream. Again, as you guys come in, don't forget the like button, very important.
This is just a video. Please, if you guys need to have any work done, please contact a licensed electrical contractor.
And what we're simply doing
install my breakers.
Tonight is a live stream. Running my video 100 amps. I'm gonna bounding. So you have a whole
Again, also this is an inspection job, so I'm just waiting for the inspector. This power is not live. There's no power to the panel. The panel is not.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. And again, as you guys enter, just hit the don't forget to hit the like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. And in today's video, this panel is a 100 amp panel located on the second floor of the home, and it's going to be the main supply for the second floor, where it's going to be feeding lighting, receptacles, also there's going to be a boiler up there,
and it's going to also have hand towels and so on. So again, sit back and enjoy the video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.
Again, welcome back to the channel. And again, if you're getting content from tonight's live stream, don't forget to smash that like button. Helps with the algorithm. So again, it's just a quick tour. This here is the theater room. Yes, Kubuzi. Most everything here is pot lights. There are a couple center lights upstairs, but everything in the house is pretty. Is pot lights. Yes, these are all speakers on the side here. One, two, three. Um, this is going to be a little small bar kitchen area here. We're going to have a sink here. Eventually, I have to run some type of lighting for the, I believe, for the benches, something like that. Yeah, Movement TV is pretty huge. It's a family, it's a theater room. So now you can see with all the lights on here.
Um, it is a pretty big, huge ass house. Yeah, bro, it's pretty huge. Yeah. These are the towels that they're using. I don't want to step on it. I don't think it's fresh, but this is just a back room, and here is going to have the the system for the speakers. And this is the stairs. This is the elevator here. Um, that's going to go all the way up to the
Button
second floor.
helps with the algorithm.
I still have to put a light and a plug inside of this area, which is required by code. So these are basically my lights that's coming down, as you can see. So again, these are all pot lights that I'm using. In the basement, there's no center light. In the basement, it's all pot lights. This area, I still have to put the lighting. This is a gym. This area is going to be a gym. So you're not going to see anything right now because it's pretty dark. I still have to do the lighting in here. But yeah, this area is going to have a gym. You can see there are all pot lights in here. It's pot lights QBZ. There's no, I didn't put the lighting in right now because I wasn't working.
Hello and welcome back to the channel. And for all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go
So
ahead
again,
and
hello and
subscribe to
welcome
the
back to the
channel.
channel. I'd like to
Make
thank
sure
you
your
guys for tuning
notification
in
is
to
turned to
tonight's
all.
live.
That way you can receive my content. And in today's video, what we have is I'm prepping for a service change panel swap out from 100 to 100. And this panel is an old panel that is defected. So again, I will be changing out my panel, and I will be following all ESA electrical safety code. So again, like I said, please sit back and enjoy the video, and I will see you guys at the end of the video.
So again, for all those who has missed the opening of the live stream from the start, you can catch this on the replay. Grounding and bounding is what we're going through tonight. Again, also a rule of thumb. This is basically a panel replacement, 100 amp swap out for 100. This is an older panel, and these panels do cause their defect. And the reason why the panel was also changed out was because there was an upgrade to the basement, and the current panel would not hold whatever was required. So I had to do was change out this panel in order to get more space inside of the panel. Also, not using the wash the stove, having it turn into a gas. Also, was able to reinstall another 100 amp panel. Normally, it will have to be upgraded to 200. And again, this is an inspection job. Uh, Service had to be shut down in order to upgrade the panel. So again, as you guys come in, don't forget to smash that like button. Helps with the algorithm. Helps with my to get people that are interested in the content and who wants to learn a bit about how this trade goes. Also, you can subscribe to the channel, or you can become a member of the channel. And also, I have my merch. You can see it's pinned at the top of the comment section, and it's pinned on the screen. Just click the link, and it takes you right over to the pages. Me what you think about the live stream. Also, drop a comment in the comment section. Also, to tell me what for next live stream would be. So again, hello, welcome back. Link again. As you guys come in, don't forget to smash
So
that
hello,
like
welcome
button.
back to my
Helps with
channel.
the
I
algorithm.
would like to thank you guys all for tuning in to the video today. Again, as you come in, please don't forget to hit the like button. Also, for those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And in today's video, what I'm simply doing is I'm taping my white cable that's not identified right now, and I'm simply using that with white tape, which is allowed by code. Also, you will see me have the cables wired up into the lugs, the main disconnect 400 amp disconnect service that I have here that I'm working with, and the cable that I used was 250 kc mil parallel runs. And again, you'll see all my ground bushes and everything is grounding the ground wire off, and it's going back to the main ground on the panel. So again, please sit back and enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys in between the video. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's video. And also, as you come in, don't forget to hit the like button. You can also subscribe to the channel and share the video. So in today's video, what I'm doing is I'm grounding off my ground wire onto the ground bushes, ground clamp on the tech cable required by code. It has to be grounded off because of the cable that I use. And this cable is aluminum, it's not copper. Aluminum is silver, and you can see that it's a silver ground wire that I have there along with all the other grounds. So please just sit back and enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys in between. So hello again and welcome back to the end of the video, and I'd like to thank you guys all who has tuned into today's video. Again, also as you come in, please don't forget to like up the video. You can also share the video. Also, you can subscribe to the channel. And again, in this video, what I'm doing is simply prepping for my panel installation with the plywood, sheet of plywood, weather resistant. I'm going to be placing on the back of the in front of the wall that's behind, and this will help with of water and stuff seeping into the panel. So sit back and enjoy the last 2 minutes of the and I would thank you guys all for tuning into today's video. Again, don't forget to like up the video, and I'll see you.
Again, I never cut 3 wires at the same time. Always one for one. not going to reach here, so I'm just going to shift this breaker up. And voila, that's another exciting video. Also, please like, share, and comment, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.
So again, as you guys come in, don't forget to smash that like button. Helps with the algorithm. You can also subscribe to the channel or become a member of the channel. If you guys are planning on have more knowledge of the trade, again, stay tuned for my other masterclass series, also the continuation, and also stay tuned for an upcoming episode on how to become a master electrician.
simple way of stripping my wire. And as you can see, I'm going to remove this arm. So this has the marking to get to where this wire is going to land. That's basically it for today's video. So please like, share and subscribe, and also leave a comment in the comment section, and I will see you on the next video with this installation. Thank you.
So hello again, welcome back to today's live stream, as I'm going to try to share video here. So again, as you guys come in, don't forget to smash.
Okay, hello and good morning to all my subscribers. Please like, share, and subscribe to the video. I'm basically going to be prepping for my service 400 amp panel. Okay, please, hello and welcome again. Please like, share, and subscribe. This is basically my 400 amp panel, which I removed all the components from the side so I can open the panel. You can see this is the panel covers that I had to remove in order to mount the panel on the plywood. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Fabian Electrical Services Inc. Please like, share, and subscribe to my video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a full roughing of the first floor that I recently finished. So right here, as you can see, we're going to have a security wire. Also, if you see, we're going to have a keypad here. I have some switches on this wall. Also at the entrance, I'm going to have some receptacles. If you see, I have one here. I have another receptacle here. And there's another one here. And we go into this room. This room, you're going to see I have some pot lights, a speaker cable, one sender light. You can see my wire is all neatly strapped down. In this room, I'm going to have one data for the TV, one receptacle for the TV, my switches to control this room, my receptacles for this room, alter code. I'll have a data on this wall. I have one receptacle for the floor. This room here is going to be a washroom. You see, I have my fan here, a couple pot lights, LED mirror, GFI receptacle for the sink. I have one receptacle for the toilet, and I have my switches. We leave this room here, and we go over to this room. You're going to see I have some pot lights with sender light. This wire here is basically for the LED strip light. I have my switches here, which will be controlled from this side for the pot light. It's also called a three-way switch. I have my receptacles. This here is going to be a receptacle for the gas fireplace. And then I'm going to have my security contacts for the windows, along with my wiring for the shade windows. We leave this area. We're going to go into this room, which is another washroom. Two pot lights, one fan, two pendants. I have my receptacle for my LED mirror, receptacle for the GFI. In here, there's no receptacle for the toilet because of the, obviously this is a new style toilet, so it doesn't call for a receptacle. Here I have my switches for this washroom, and if we go into this area, it's going to be one receptacle here, some pot lights, LED strip lights. If you see the way I tuck my wire out so it's not lost in the drywall, and my switches for this washroom, sorry, not washroom, for this room. We go over to this next room here. You'll see I have my pot lights, center light, I have speaker cables. I also have another cable for my LED strip. I have my switches here, which will be controlled from this location also. Okay, here I'm going to have a GFI. There's going to be a sink here, wash basin. This is a nanny kitchen, butler kitchen. We go into this area. You can see I have my receptacle for my microwave. I have a couple receptacles for the counter, auto code. There's going to be a mini fridge here. Freezer. This is going to be a dishwasher. And I'm going to this area. This is my kitchen. I have a 20 amp fridge receptacle. I have wall oven receptacle. On this wall I have my receptacles that's going to be underneath the cabinet, the counter. I have a hood fan, LED strip lights. I have my stove, one gas stove. By code I have to provide another stove receptacle. And then area is going to be my counter. These two areas, you'll see I have my receptacles coming up. Dishwasher, counter receptacles. You also see I have some pot lights, speaker cable, one center light. I have more pot lights here, speaker cable, one center light. Going to this area, I have my pot lights with my center light. I have my security wire for the smoke. I have one motion wire for the security. Also I have some contacts for the windows and the shade blinds. In this area is going to be my switches to control the kitchen. I have one keypad here. And then we go into this area where you're going to see I have my switches. These are all going to be controlling the outside lights and some lights inside the entrance here. This room is the main family room. You see I have a receptacle on the top. This is for a sink and GFI. Then I have my plugs on this wall. This is going to be a fireplace, TV, data. In this area I also have speakers along with pot lights. This is going to be one center light with speakers, some pot lights in this area. Also I have my security door window contacts, shade windows. Another set of speakers. LED strip light wire hanging. And this will be my switches for that room, family room. This is the elevator. These wires are going to be basically for the under the stairs lighting. We go into this room. You see I have a smoke detector, 2 lights. This area is another washroom, fans, 2 pot lights, 2 wall lights. GFI LED mirror. My switches. My wire is all neatly strapped. In this area, we're going to have a kitchen.
So again, hello, welcome back to the channel, and I'm going to be running a few more videos here before I log off. Again, as you guys come in,
Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's video. As you come in, please don't forget to like up the video, very important. Also, you can share the video. You can also subscribe to the channel, and you can also become a member of the channel with the link being pinned in the comment section. Again, what I'm simply doing is preparing to remove this panel for a panel swap out. 100 amp to 100 amp. The new panel is going to be an Eaton panel, and the reason why I'm changing this panel out is because it's defective in the area where I am, the country where I am. It's a fire hazard, and also there's not enough space in the panel to do what I need to do with all of the new circuits that was brought in. So again, that's what I'm going to be doing right now. It's a panel swap out with the power being turned off from the hydro unit. So just stay tuned for the entire video, and I'll catch you guys in between the video. So again, hello, welcome back to the channel. So normally what I do when I'm doing a job like this is I normally get to the job site a little bit earlier so I can remove all of my wires, label them accordingly. That way when it comes to reinstalling my wires into the panel, I don't have to go troubleshooting throughout the house for the circuits to be labeled. And yes, of course, your cables and your circuits have to be labeled at the end of the job in order to have your inspection pass. That is the code rule, and there's no going around it. So again, just stay tuned for the entire video as I attempt to change out this panel without any issues occurring, any delays, so that the hydro can come back and turn the power on within the limited time that I have during the day. If I don't have this panel removed and installed by the time hydro is ready, the customer will have to wait until the next day to have the power turned on, or there's an extra fee that will be charged for the late fees. So always try to keep that in mind. So as you can see, I have limited space to work with. This panel is a lot smaller than the other panel. This was built in before I even did the panel swap out. So again, with very limited space to deal with, I have to make sure that I can get my new panel inside of the
inside of this area. Obviously I would have did the measurements according to the newer panel to the older panel, and it's going to be a pretty tight job. There's not much room for me to play with inside of this area right here. And also, as you can see, I'm simply going to be removing this panel and taking out all the wires from the side of the panel, making sure that my wires, my older wires that I took out, are already labeled for the reinstall of the cable. So this is normal procedure what I'm doing right now, which is to try to remove my wires as fast as I can. Again, I don't have much time to play with when it comes to swapping out the panel. Also, just keep in mind that with limited time, there's very few mistakes that can be made. Reason being, like I said, it's a panel swap out, and if everything is not done accordingly, the power will not be turned on. I will have to fix the defect in order to have the panel turned on. So again, like I said, this is the older panel that I'm dealing with right now, and with the older connectors that was used, pretty much gives you a lot of problems when it comes to trying to change out the panel with the older connectors being screws and stuff like that on the other side of it. Very hard to play with. So for that reason, I have to take my time also to make sure that I very important. I don't want to make the wires. My wires are nicked and it touches the metal. Once I reinstall my wires, then it can have a sharp in it of some sort. So always try to avoid all of these little stuff that comes with the trade. So again, just sit back and enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll catch you guys in
the next
between
video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my videos, and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.
So hello, welcome back to my channel, and what we simply have right here right now is going to be the installation of my cables and so on. This is a 400 amp main disconnect fusible, parallel feed being used. So hello again and welcome back to the channel. And again, reason why I'm installing this tape is because I have to identify my cable, which is the neutral that I'm trying to tape right now. 400 amp disconnect fusible is what's here right now. Reason being is because the panel is located more than a certain amount of feet from the meter base, and it is a code rule that states that if the panel is located more than a certain amount of feet from the outdoor meter base, you have to have a means of disconnect, and that's what's simply here. 400 amp fusible disconnect that's placed here, and reason being is, like I said, the panel is located on the other side of the home. Parallel runs is the set of cables that you will see coming in from the top, and that's going to be the line side. Bottom side is the load side. Always important to make sure that your grounding is tucked way on the back side, so there's no arcing when it comes to the main components also. And always make sure that the line and the load is not touching each other when it goes into the disconnect. So again, for all those who haven't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You can also leave a comment in the comment section. You can also become a member of the channel with the link being pinned in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Hello and welcome back my viewers and subscribers, and in today's video we're going to dive into the world of roughening and what it takes to pass inspection, and of course what it takes to prep my wires from injuries occurring to others. So in today's video what you simply have is running boards that I will be placing in the attic, required by code. And the normal procedure is basically when you have wires running in the attic, you basically have to place a running board beside or over your wires to cover your wires, to hide them, or on the side of the running board, which is the 2x4. And as you can see right here, I'm placing my 2x4 I have running across is where I have my wires, and I'm simply going to be protecting them from being damaged from anyone else who decides to go into the attic to do any type of work after. So again, for all those who has tuned into the video, please like and share the video, and also you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel and make sure your notification is turned to all. That way when I release my videos you can receive all of them, and I will catch you guys on the next video. So hello again and welcome back to Fabian Electrical Services. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's video. So let's dive right into it. What I'm doing today is going to be an installation. It's going to be the installation of the 400 amp disconnect. The disconnect is mounted already, and what I use for the installation is simply bolts. I made sure I secured the 2x4 on the back end to give it the extra secure
to the wall firm and nice. I don't want the electrical installation to come off the wall in any type or sort. Again, the cable, the electrical conduit that I'm using is going to be the AC conductor. We call it tech cable, and there are parallel runs that's being run from the outdoor meter base. Again, what I like to do with installation like this is I like to make sure that I keep that white sheeting that's there on before I like to keep it on once I land my conductors inside of the panel. I'm going to remove that white sheeting. I also make sure to put my ground bushing on first. This installation is going to come with the ground bushing connection. Reason being is the ground wire has to be grounded off to the actual ground clamp. Ground connection has to be grounded off. I have to make sure that, as you can see in the on the left hand side, you're going to see the other installation. You're going to see my wire is grounded off onto the ground bushing. It is in code compliance. It is a code rule that states that. It is inside of the electrical code book where you would find it. You just have to search. And again, if for all those who are pretty interested in the video, all the apprentices out there, all the journeymans, all the master electricians, DIY guys, homeowners, if you ever need to find out a code rule and you simply cannot find it, you can simply leave a comment in the comment section, and I would guide you through the process. So again, the installation reason that the disconnect is here and not the 400 amp panel is because of the code rule that states anything that's within 5 feet of the electrical panel of the meter base shall have a